Namaste. My name is Rui Zimmer. I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to speak how to make tempeh for your daily probiotic. Tempeh are fermented beans that are packed in bulk with white spores from fermentation. So I didn't know it before, but it really tastes very, very delicious. Looks like Camembert cheese and tastes cheesy. And it's easy to do. So you can add tempeh to your salad or fermented veggies like kimchi, easy to do and full of healthy probiotic. What you want more. So the recipe is at the end. The original recipe is soy-based and you can literally use any kind of dry beans. When using chickpeas, you split chickpeas because normal chickpeas are too large and so do not stick together. You have to soak the beans, then boil them in water. After boiling, the beans need not be too tender and not too hard. You have to add white vinegar or I like apple vinegar better, because tempeh starter is a mold that loves an acidic environment and vinegar protects beans against bacteria, also both together. No? Keep the tempeh above 25 Celsius and below 35 Celsius for the first 12 hours. Afterwards, the tempeh generates enough heat. So you need organic, no GM soil. For this example, 600 gram dry whole soya, 5 tablespoons vinegar, 1 teaspoon 3 to 5 grams of tempeh starter, 1 teaspoon salt. I prefer pink Himalaya salt. Okay, clean beans thoroughly in water. We do not want them with insects. Also here in Thailand they're all the time with insects. Soak them for 8 to 12 hours. Rinse again in fresh water. You don't need to dehull the beans. That is too time consuming. For what? No? Make it easy. Take a power pressure pot, put them inside and add sufficient water for them to be covered with water. So I got my power pressure pot for $30. Okay, not too expensive. No? Add your 5 tablespoons vinegar and 1 teaspoon salt. Soy needs about 30 minutes to cook. Remove the water and the hulls that are floating on the water. Put the beans back carefully on the heat. Stir with a wooden spoon to evaporate the remaining liquid. The best is to put them on a towel or dry them with a hair dryer. But this is too much work. Just put them back in the pot. No? Allow the beans to dry and cool to 35 Celsius. And I add 1 teaspoon of tempeh powder and mix thoroughly for 1 minute. Okay. You put them in a Ziploc bag that you punctured every inch or 2.5 centimeters with a bamboo or metal skewer. The bag should not be filled thicker than 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch full of soybeans. But this is also for me too much work. Another option is to use banana leaves. So I have done it. I have so many banana plants and it's much easier. Cut the leaf stem, patch both sides so that the banana leaf is sufficient large. Don't perforate the banana leaf. Cut them into whatever size you want. Wrap the soybeans in the banana leaf. You can use a toothpick to glue the bun together or simply place 100 grams of weight on it, like a bag with dry soybeans. Okay. Keep the beans for 12 hours between 35 and 25 Celsius approximately. Then the mold should produce its own heat. Verify the results. So, and then you just wait altogether between 30 and 40 hours. Okay. It's ready. Verify the results. And then you put the tempeh in the refrigerator for a week, you can do it, or freeze them for a half year. When you freeze the tempeh for 6 months, the probiotic will stay alive. Okay, thank you that I could speak about this, and bye.